A very warm welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discover how you can set up contactless stores using ZeroTouch, and we're going to also explore the splendid features, the very powerful features which we have in ZeroTouch Agency. To begin with, as soon as you log in, you'll be shown a screen like this. You can see your total orders, total products listed, total sales, and what are the number of stations. We're going to talk about what stations are in a moment. Now, as soon as you're here, you can click on Getting Started button, and you'll see it is going to tell you how you can actually go ahead and set up your entire store in literally 5 simple steps. The first step which is supposed to be done is we have to set up the brand completely. So for example, if you're managing a client, then you go ahead and you possibly go ahead and kind of set up brand name, you set up the logo, you set up a base color scheme for that particular client, and also set up a domain, custom domain for the brand you're managing. So their store would be reflected on their domain and not on ZeroTouch Agency store. All right, once you're done with that, the very next thing which you need to do is you need to go ahead and create categories. Now the idea behind ZeroTouch Agency is to actually go ahead and turn local stores into a contactless order management system, with the help of which they can actually boost up the confidence of the people who are coming in, ease off the hassles, and they can actually work without any queues, without any touching in this COVID-19 and beyond COVID-19 as well. So what we need to do is we need to figure out already that what are the brand assets that would be needed. For example, you can see we have done a demo sheet here, which is right here, and do this for a cafe by the name Food Circles. And we have categories. Inside the categories, we have products, and then we also have certain add-ons. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how exactly to set this particular brand up in ZeroTouch Agency. So very first thing is we need to add categories. So we'll go to categories. As you can see, we have made like tons of categories already. So we go ahead and we go with category. The category number 1 is going to be breakfast, and the name is Food Cafe. So we're going to say, let's say Food Cafe Breakfast. That's the first category. Then we also have certain assets with us right here, which we can use. Okay. And we're going to say, let's say upload a particular icon for that particular category. So for example, this is a breakfast icon. So we can have this eggs breakfast as an uploaded icon. Then once we've done this, we can save the category. So that comes FC breakfast. Similarly, we'll go ahead and set up the other ones, FC lunch and FC dinner. Let's do that immediately. Once we have set up the categories, the very next thing is to go ahead and set up the products. We've already given the list of the categories now. Now we'll go ahead and set up the products. I'll click on this and we'll go and add a new product. And just to let you know, ZeroTouch Agency is multi-currency and also multi-language. So you can use any language of your choice, of your preference, and you can also use any currency of your preference. Okay. So having said that, let's go and create a new product. You have at the product level, you can see we have lots of currencies available here, right? And we also have what kind of product names we have. So we're going to go ahead and quickly take the parts where we set up the products right away. So let me set up them. As we are setting up the products, what we can do is we can also go ahead and we could do add-on settings. So we have certain add-ons which are available in this particular product. So just in case you want to upsell in the store, just like a McDonald's would do, right? We can also go ahead and do it right here. We have add-ons. As you can see, we can add as many add-ons as we like. So I'll quickly go ahead and add the add-ons here. Stuffed pineapple. Then we have raspberry mixed salads. And then we have basically a juice. And we'll say orange juice, for example. We can give any add-on codes which we want. That is specifically for managing internal inventory. Apart from that, we have $3, $8, and $4 as the price. So $3, 8 and 4, and then we can create and save product. So our first product is already done with FC Breakfast right here. So we'll go ahead and add other products. I'll quickly do this. Now we'll go ahead and add the products for the second category, which is our lunch. I'll quickly show you around how we're doing that. Now we'll go quickly and set up the products for our last category. As you can see, we're done setting up our categories. For the purpose of this demonstration, we've actually gone ahead and added only 3 categories, which is lunch, breakfast, and dinner. We could add as many categories as we want as the client needs. Okay, so now once you've added those categories, what you can do is the very next thing, you click on again getting started button. The categories are added, products are added, brands are set up. Now we got to go ahead and create a catalog with these products and categories in them. Okay, so we go ahead and we click on this, we create a new particular catalog, and we're going to upload the logo of the catalog. This is going to be Food Circle logo, and we're going to have this catalog name Food Circle Cafe, and then we could have the slug, right? And then if you want an internal name for the catalog, you could also have a theme. So for example, this is a red theme, which I would like to take, more like a maroon, right? And then you could also have a favicon, probably will take it from the library. Anything which you have uploaded in the past, you can use the same. You could also, once you've added the custom domains, you could set up the custom domain right here. And also now you could just go ahead and take the categories. All right, so we've taken 3 categories. You can actually go ahead and reorder them if you want. If you want the breakfast to come up, or you want something, it's completely drag and drop. It's very easy to set up. And this is how the entire things look like. Once you're done, you say create and save catalog. The catalog internal name is required. So let's say this is FC. So now we've got this catalog ready. Now, next thing which we need to do is we need to just go ahead and very simply, we need to go to stations and we need to take a QR code. So for example, we've already done stations, multiple stations. Stations is more driven towards, the table. If you have tables, if you have branches, you can use stations in various ways, right? So for example, if you have a New York branch for this particular restaurant, so you could say New York, and then you could say NYC 001. So if you have multiple New York stations, you could say 002, 003. Or if you have only one, then you could say just NYC as your station code, and you say save. And then now you'll have view QR code. So this is the Food Circle Cafe which we have, right? If you click on that, we'll be able to see the QR code right away. So the custom logo and all these things would, you could actually customize it. Obviously, this logo could be customized to the brand logo, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and showcase you exactly how we can scan this. And once you scan them, you can see on the top there is a website QR code. Somebody clicks on that, takes them to the entire store which we've built. Easy and peasy, you can see that, right? Apart from these things, you've seen this entire setup. It is how easy it is, how simple it is. These are all clickables. For example, if I click on the menu, they'll take me to the desired location, right? I can add to them to the store, and then you could see we have add-ons. We could actually do the add-ons part. This increases your customer's revenue, the client's revenue, and then you could go to cart, platform, you could remove, you could do whatever you want, and then you could say continue to pay. We have multiple integrations available. Just to showcase that to you, payment gateway settings. If we go to our settings here, we'll be able to do this payment settings. We could add new payment gateways. We have Stripe, we have Razorpay, we have PayPal available right inside our particular dashboard, right? So you can do that. So having said that, this is how simple it is to actually set up the entire catalog for your clients. Getting started with ZeroTouch is extremely easy. Your clients will love them. Your clients can actually further go ahead and manage the orders, any orders they receive right here. You also give them a customer view right here, all the things which people have gone ahead and kind of done. So they'll have an entire customer's view available, right? And this is how the entire dashboard looks like. We also have multi-language dashboards, so we could have CZIC, Dutch, French, German, Indonesian, Italian, Portuguese, or Spanish right here. And in case you have any further doubts, please feel free to reach out to us via the help section as showcased inside the dashboard. We're really looking forward to have you inside our community, and we're really looking for your help to actually spread the word out regarding ZeroTouch so that various local businesses can benefit out of it, and also you can benefit out of it while recommending them this particular solution in this particular era. Thank you so much. It's me, Gaurav, signing off, and we look forward to having you inside the members area.